Welcome to iSpring Visuals Guide by Fakhar Naveed. Develop complex multi-step courses, quizzes, dialogue simulations, screencasts, and e-books. These kinds of materials are created using the functionalities of two powerful software programs, Microsoft PowerPoint and iSpring Suite. iSpring Visuals is a component of iSpring Suite. With iSpring Visuals, you can add media-rich interactions to your course to move e-learning courses out of the PowerPoint look. Getting started with iSpring Visuals. Hotkeys. 1. Interaction types. 2. Working with text. 3. Working with audio. 4. Working with video and images. 5. Interaction colors and properties. 6. Previewing an interaction. 7. Publishing interactions. You may download its copy from following source. 1. Google Drive Share. 2. Dropbox. Both links are provided in the description of this video. Extract this RAR file with unzip application, WinRAR 7-zip. After extraction, folders and files in this looking like as below. Double-click on Setup File and it will start application installation of iSpring Visuals. Unzip HMPT zip file. Then copy iSpring.suite.10.0.0.580 x64mpt2 c:\program files /iSpring /suite10. Run the activator iSpring.suite.10.0.0.580 x64mpt plus left click on the Jaguar heads. Application activated. Have a nice day.